Hello everyone, today we have a Snap-on TPMS5. We'll show you how to match the sensor IDs to make sure you have the same sensor IDs stored in the ECU module that you're scanning in the tires. So to do that, you want to go ahead and select Special Functions, Verify Sensor IDs, select the vehicle that you're working with, and then let's go ahead and start scanning the sensors. And of course you want to position the tool on the sidewall of the tire. Okay, maybe move on to the next one. Alright, next step will be to go ahead and cycle the ignition on and connect the OBD to the vehicle. Alright, now we have everything hooked up and the ignition is turned on. You're going to select Verify IDs. We can do hexadecimal and retrieve IDs. Alright, you see how quick that was? It matches both sensor IDs and you're good to go.